All right, I don't know how to pronounce your name, man, so excuse me if I mess it up. I think I saw it say Fustino. This for the guy that was sending me messages on eBay about the truck. I think it said Fustino. I know you sent me that email that said Fustino.insurance, and you said it was a Google email account. All right, here's a video, man. I'm not sure exactly what you want to see. I'm gonna try and go around the truck as slow as I can. The video may cut off. I might have to send another one, but here it is. Running, you hear it running. You know it sounds real good. All right, here's the truck. Passenger side, do a little plan view. Side. Got the HID headlights, LED marker lights. Make this one, I'm gonna do a video of the interior by itself. Got the 383 emblems. Brand new, spank brand new tires, like literally spank brand new. You hear it running. I'll stand back so you can kind of see it. Let me close the door. Gotta get kind of far back to see the whole truck. That's the truck, top off, top in there. I actually just have the top painted. Yeah, that's the outside of the truck. I mean, it really don't look no different than what I already sent you. Like I say, it's definitely well worth the money, without a doubt. It's currently registered right now and everything. Diffs been rebuilt. Had those rebuilt. Rear end painted. Had the front one rebuilt also. It looked the same. Under the bottom.